Hi guys. Today when I opened my laptop I saw an auto-update notification while surfing internet. Which means, if you're currently running Windows 10 version 1507, version 1511, version 1607, or version 1703, you can expect to receive a notification that states that your device has to have the latest security updates installed. Windows Update will then try to update your device. When you receive the update notification, click Update Now to update your device. This update is also offered directly to Windows Update Client for some devices that have not installed the most recent updates. Windows 10 version 1507 and version 1511 are currently at end of service. This means that devices that are running these operating systems no longer receive the monthly security and quality updates that contain protection from the latest security threats. To continue receiving security and quality updates, Microsoft recommends that you update the system to the latest Windows version, Windows 10 version 1709, Windows 10 version 1607 and version 1703 are not yet at end of service. However, they must be updated to the latest versions of Windows 10 to ensure protection from the latest security threats. Thank you for watching the video.